is a dog of justice. He likes the water. He loves the water. Look at him. He's eating the shit out of it. Can't even do it and not laugh. Watch. He's about to go crazy. He got he got combos. He got oh, good boy. He kissed my finger. Like I felt his lip. Oh my god. He's so in control. He's so in control of himself, but like he believes in justice. Look at him. Ugh, justice, full force. Let me see if I can get him to combo again. He was doing both feet. Boom, boom, boom. Good boy. Are you a pit bull with personality? No, no, no. It still makes me scared though. God damn. Got him. You're so cute.